this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PS4 turning off randomly on you. Now, the first thing that might be happening is you have auto turn off, turn on, or something like that. So we can go to power saving settings right here under settings and go to where it says set time until PS4 turns off. So if you have this selected on here, after 1 hour of not playing or touching your PlayStation, my PS4 is going to automatically turn off. So you might want to set this to do not turn off or something like that. Depending on it, or just set it to like 5 hours or something like that. Then we can go back under here, and there's another settings that might be turning off your PS4 randomly. And if we go to system, and then we go to enable HDMI device link. So if you turn off your TV, your PlayStation is going to automatically turn off. If you turn it on or something like that, and you might be having an issue just because of this. So turn this off right here, and you won't have that issue anymore. So just go and do that now. And there could be another reason why your PlayStation is turning off randomly. That's because of hard drive issues or something like that, or system software issues, or maybe even your power supply. Try plugging your PlayStation 4 into a different power adapter or outlet or something like that. And then let's hold down the power button right here and go to turn off and launch this into the safe mode menu. Or your PlayStation could be overheating, so you never know. You can open up your PlayStation and you can try cleaning it. Just maybe put some compressed air along the sides here and blow any kind of dust you have. Check it out, see if it's really hot. If it's way too hot, it could be overheating and just turning off because of that reason. So we're going to launch my PlayStation in the safe mode menu. You can see this light is stopped beeping or blinking or anything like that. Hold down this power button, and then wait 10 seconds and you'll hear another beep. And with your controller plugged in, you can launch into the safe mode menu. So controller plugged in, let's go up to the top now. And here is the safe mode menu. Hold down the PlayStation button now on the controller with the controller connected with a cable, otherwise it won't work. And then go on down to update system software, and you can update this with the internet and just apply a fresh copy. Maybe there's an issue with the software. And then after that, go to option number 5, rebuild database. So this is what you want to do if you have any kind of hard drive issues, and just see if this fixes the issue. It will remove the corrupted data, and hopefully this will get your PlayStation to work. Now you can always install a new SSD or something like that, or a hard drive. Just use a USB drive. You get the system software from the PlayStation website, and then just install on the new hard drive. And very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.